Okay, guys, please enjoy the sneak peek at the upcoming Sonic Boom Season 2 finale, Eggman, the video game.
Yes.
I've got all I need of Team Sonic, but somehow my sweet moves don't look as cool as I'd hoped.
Maybe it's 'cause you're getting your butt kicked.
No, that's not it.
Might I suggest motion capturing a foe who could actually defeat Sonic? Then just digitally replace their image with yours.
What a brilliant idea! Glad I thought of it.
That's why you're the boss, sir.
But who do I know that stands a chance at defeating Sonic the Hedgehog? Shadow, I have a proposition for you.
There you go.
So as you see, he decides to kind of try to recruit Shadow for his video game.
And judging by the bottom right picture there, okay, well, that's going to make for a very interesting episode.
Yeah.
And again, where can we watch this episode if we're here in the States?
It'll be on Boomerang this Saturday at 6 p.m. and then the second part will follow after, so 6 p.m. 6:15 p.m.
Oh, so it's like back-to-back
Yep,
episodes.
back-to-back
Awesome.
episodes,
So
so-
Boomerang, 6 p.m., both episodes all the way through, like a full 30-minute episode.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, it reminds me of the old like Saturday morning Sonic days.
Yeah.
Proud, Jasmine. Bravo to you and the team and everyone that's worked on the Sonic Boom TV show
Thank
series.
you.
That's
Yeah,
great.
A lot of hard work from everybody. There's a lot of moving pieces to making an animation show. So like production assistants, interns, and our studio that helped us, and of course our executive producers and writers. So yeah, it's a big team effort.
Awesome.